Hi, my name is Nurfatina Bilawidi Shanuddin. My number is F2040. My group member is Nik Aki Akhtar bin Muhammad Azrul F20451, Muhammad Jafni bin Khalilur Rahman F2041, and Fatia Tunur F2038. So, our group will presenting the soil erosion by water. So as you can see, the definition of water erosion is the detachment and removal of soil material by water. The process may be natural or accelerated by human activity. The rate of erosion may be very slow to very rapid, depending on the soil, the local landscape, and the weather condition. Water erosion wears away the Earth's surface. Classify erosion problem. Water erosion is caused by the detachment and transport of soil by rainfall, runoff, melting snow or ice, and irrigation. Excessive erosion can threaten the production of agricultural and forest products. Erosion may also impact very conveyance and storage structure and contribute to pollution from land surface. As you can see, the determine erosion control method. They have 5, which is use a rain barrel, plant tree or shrub, mulch, matting, and build a terrace or a retaining wall.
Hello and greetings. My name is Muhammad Jafni bin Khalilur Rahman. My matrix number is F2041. I will continue this slide. I will explain about types of water erosion. Firstly is interhill erosion. Interhill erosion is also known as raindrop erosion. Is the movement of soil by rainfall and its resulting surface flow. It is primarily caused by rainfall, but other factors such as climate, elevation, topography, and vegetative cover also contribute to this type of erosion. Interhill erosion is the first and most important step in the water erosion process as a wall. It is highly dependent on the kind of rainfall found in any given time of place. A light drizzle obviously won't cause a lot of erosion, but rainfall from a severe storm can cause a lot of damage to a region's soils. Secondly is rill erosion. Rill erosion is caused the concentrate flow of water in small rivulets. It is still sometimes referred to as sheet erosion, although that term has fallen out of favor in recent years, since it downplays the effect of rainfall and suggests that soil is moved in large sheets. Rill erosion moves soil in small streams that are often started by rainfall, making this the second step in the erosion process as a wall. Secondly is gully erosion. Gully erosion refers to the movement of soil by larger streams of water. This type of erosion causes channels in the soil that are at least 1 foot deep and cannot be smoothed over completely by normal agricultural operations. Lastly is stream bank erosion. Stream bank erosion is caused by fast running rivers and streams cutting into the banks. This type of erosion can be found at the lower end of streams, tributaries, and its streams that have relatively flat gradients. This type of erosion can cause large masses of soil to slip down slope and damage surrounding fields. Next slide is connection between soil erosion, afforestation, and conservation of water. Afforestation means planting trees. As we know, the roots of the trees help to hold the soil layer firmly. It is evident that it helps not to make the soil loose and prevents erosion. Conservation: by planting more and more trees, the top layer of the soil becomes less prone to erosion by wind, water, or anything likely. That's all for me, Muhammad Jafti bin Khalilur Rahman. I will pass to my friend. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. My name is Nikhil Akhtar bin Umar Hazrul. My matrix number is F2051. Okay, I'll be continuing the presentation. Okay, so the next slide is how does water prevent soil erosion? Okay, it's by conservation, tillage, and soil erosion. The conservation tillage techniques have the potential to reduce the vertical movement of soil, and in this way, more crop residues are left on the soil surface, reducing the exposure to water or wind erosion. Okay, so for the next slide, water conservation methods of water. Okay, by focusing more on better soil quality, so that your soil can better hold moisture and oxygen for plants to thrive. And good soil management. By practicing this, it includes fertilizing with manure, adding compost, and reducing tillage frequency. And the following slide is types of erosion. Okay, first of all, we have sheet erosion, water. That is, sheet erosion water is almost invisible. Lighter colored soils are a sign that over the years, erosion has taken its toll. Then wind erosion is highly visible. Although it's a problem, water erosion is generally much more severe. And we have a real erosion. And real erosion occurs during heavy rains, when small rills form over an entire hillside, making farming difficult. Then we have gully erosion. It makes gullies, some of them huge, impossible to cross with farm machinery. And lastly, we have ephemeral erosion. Ephemeral erosion occurs in natural depressions. It differs from gully erosion in that the area can be crossed by farm equipment. Okay, so that's all from me. So my friend will be continuing the presentation. Thank you very much.
Hello and good morning. My name is Fatia Tunur binti Muhammad Rafi. My number matrix is F2038. Okay, I will continue to pros and cons soil erosion by water. Pros: nutrient distribution, soil cleansing, landscape formation, and for cons, loss of fertile land, reduced water retention, increased aquatic vegetation. Okay, next conclusion. Many landforms and features on Earth are created by water erosion. Water allows sediment to move from place to place and form waterfall, lakes, meanders, and many other things which form in Earth's surface. That's all from us. Thank you.